I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the 40s and northwest wind gusts to 45 to 60, winds may gust to around 40 early this evening before weakening during the overnight. Tomorrow through Friday remains dry. Highs mostly in the upper 30s to the mid 40s. Northwest Kansas slightly warmer for tomorrow through Friday with highs in the 40s. Occasional snow is possible Friday night through Monday when low pressure tracks southeast across the southern plains. Significant snow accumulations are unlikely and chances have decreased for an inch or more. Highs cool into the 30s Saturday, the upper 20s to the mid 30s on Sunday, and the low to mid 20s by Monday. The middle of next week, highs rebound to mostly the mid 30s to the mid 40s. For now, there are only slight chances of snow or rain the mid to late part of next week. Long-term forecast continues the trend of colder than normal temperatures for Sunday through the first 8 days of next month in Nebraska, Kansas, and all but the southeast U.S. Above normal precipitation is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through December 8th. Those higher precipitation chances the early half of next week. Key weather factors the markets are watching include colder and stormy weather in the U.S. and a drier outlook for Argentina and southern Brazil. Multiple storms continue to affect most of the U.S. this Thanksgiving week. The exception, an area from California to the central and southern plains that remain mostly dry. Low pressure crossing the northern U.S. produces wind-driven snow, including difficult travel on Thanksgiving for areas east of the Great Lakes. After Thanksgiving, cold conditions become more established across most of the U.S. Some wintry weather accompanies the cold spell, starting in the northwest, then spreading into the northern plains and parts of the Midwest. A couple of more winter storms are possible across the U.S. next week, but there's still quite a bit of uncertainty with the track and development. The forecast models do agree on next week being rather cold across most of the U.S., with the exception of the southeast. Mississippi River levels are still low. Heavy rain yesterday, a possible major winter storm this weekend, and several others early next month may boost water levels enough on the Mississippi for briefly reducing restrictions of transportation. Central and northern Brazil continue to see scattered rain this week. Across southern Brazil, rains are brief and lighter this weekend into early next week, leading to below normal rainfall for the beginning of next month. There's still good soil moisture in southern Brazil, and any drying should be slow. Argentina soil conditions remain high, and scattered rain is expected this weekend. As the forecast dries out next month in Argentina, a lack of heat should prevent a drastic loss of soil moisture. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.